Fine, let me start working on problem number 7. Right here, 3 bells ring at intervals at 12, 15 and 18 minutes respectively. They started ringing simultaneously at 9 a.m. Right, what will be the next time when they all ring simultaneously? Now it is a simple classical LCM problem. Let us find out the LCM of the 3 bells which rings at 12, 15, 18 minutes. So the LCM of 12, 15 and 18 minutes. Let us check out here. 12, 15 and 18. So go with the division method, that will be easy. So this is going to be divisible by 3. 3 4s are 5s are 3. 3 6 are. Right. Then go with the 2. 2 2s are right. 5 I can't divide. 2 3s are. Now, so 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 into 5. Now let us multiply here. 5 4s are 20 into 9, which is going to be 180 minutes. Now we know that, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Right, so how many hours for 180 minutes? 180 minutes divided by 60, we are going to get 3 hours. Right, it started ringing simultaneously at 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. plus 3 you need to add, right, which is nothing but 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12 p.m. Option C is the right one.